don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks. Chwaka Parks.
I'm a fans with Tibos.
Yeah.
Before ngipush comment angeke nje ama pains alendile straight to my chest pain. Lose is something else, of which is not a culture of Orlando Pirates supporters. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs bona by understand kangcono than us, because kwangathi kuthuke namhlanje last minute chef Nabi at last they give them delicious food at last minute, of which now happiness is all over the world. Kaizer Chiefs nation, supporters, management, players, Linyatsi Zabona, each and everyone has look like but at anything because PSL can just only a last cup for the season 24-25 season Nedbank Kiona, and then Betata with defending champions Sebabongela. Let me yazi the way ukhila ngihlanga ngakhona
smile phela masibongisa phela mina usmile
khamela kusmile nina mina ngoba umsebenzi ukuthi ngithi nje congratulations Makusi nisebenze lebafowethu Mr. Napi, let me get in Naguena congratulations, because you're writing a history in your CV, because I heard that you don't ever want a cup. There is the first cup yako, and then we first cup yako is the first season yako, of which at least something promising now Makusi, and then say thank you to Marty. Orlando Pirates former player to protect your job. That winning goal is protecting if but that goal they are saving the job for Nabi. If is it Pirates, Sundowns, Chiefs? Aware would lose wire kula mathima amakhulu ukile kila sondela mngana uzongena uhleke uphinde uphume phela uhleke kwacishe kwavibrate imabhida cishe yawo ethi akuzohleka iParis idliwa hayi naye ithemni yakho yokuhleka yile yokudla iParis naye futhi ngiyampala uplatform ngoba unapi ama history wenzile njengama last minute unapi after amagame amathathu engawini ubuye sedle Sundowns after amagame awu7 engekho impumelelo ubuye usedle Pirates kwifinal uyabona ukuthi elinye irecord leyo cha hleka mngana wami ngiphelele ekhaya akahleke ngiphelele ekhaya
umngana wami ngiyamthanda kakhulu yabo ngifuna umhleka mngana wami usakhumbula Thursday besla senza something wathi kuzophela abantu la baphelile abantu sorry kuzolunga ne ngizawugibeza isitimela sePrasa sikhona isitimela sabantu ake uzohamba kamnandi
yebo ukaluguba ungayenza ungene yena lo muntu wakhona aluguba kwa he drink his own medicine
sorry usakhumbula le ice layer no ngicela athathe lamanzi ne uwafaka ku deep freeze azoba ice ne then ile cup ozohamba nalo
uzoyiphakamisa awusiwatshelile member watshelile wathi nayi cup ePirates yes
qhubeka interview yakho
uzomqolela umhleka
nkosami isono
isono ipain ilendile eOrlando ilendile kumabhakaniya wonke akangithi nje mabhakaniya sindlu emnyama thina siphele moya
ubona hawu
ibhakaniya
naso leso slogan
since 1937
moya bhakaniya sazi nina
since 1937 sibambile ingane zingakabikho emhlabeni saze zabakhona zabusiseka hawu ukuba strong into yethu uqina nje into yethu angithi nje ngiyabonga ukuthi uKhila wehlulekile ukungihleka wakwazi ukuhleka ngoba kona uhleke kwa-vibrator emabhida mayiqeda ukuthi uNompenga uyazi mawubona ethi uNompembe umdlalo uphelile ngibona abanye be-celebrate into abangayazi ngoba shukuthi bebengekho shosho ukuthi le team ngempela sizoyidla of is true iSpanish guitar sinomlando wazo iSpanish guitar bafowethu asesimncome kakhulu umsebenzi afike wawenzela iPirates siphakamisile imini emithathu kwi-MTN 8 siphakamisile imini emithathu kwi-Betway back to back sithe sithi siphamise imini emithathu kwi-Nedbank wafika uSathane
uyabona ukushawa iChiefs ukwenza ukuthi usangane manje lalela
ngisho number 2 bafuthi kwathi ngithini kaba ngisho mina ngithi lalela ku-Betway lalela i-Betway ulale isecond yokuqala walale yesibini walale yesithathu manje iBetway le ngeke
mara mngani wami baba phela abantu aba-understand isithibo ne mangabe ngikhuluma nobaba uJwaga ne then ngifaka amanye ama-language thina la ebholweni sikhuluma kanjalo but ngokumhlonipha ngiyamhlonipha as umuntu omdala mara baba uJwaga masikhuluma ngento oyiphakamisayo into enekhaphu ungangitshela uhlala lapha ku number 2 lapha bese uthi uphakamisa iBetway
ngikhuluma umdlali wami umqeqeshi wami owenze ama record wakhe ayikho futhi enye i-team eseke yakwenza lokuthi imane ilala ama position kuze kube kathathu ne room back to back ilwa i-competition neMamelodi Sundowns only akekho kwaqhamuka in between
amakhosi awayibizi
lalela ngithi back to back ayikaze yangena i-shifts between thina neSundowns masuka nje
God is trying to urafundisa pain
aralelwa nsi-Sundowns
and then tongone
and that's true it is true or false
is it true or false la ilonza Sundowns
ukayimu
koBetway
Betway lu rebiana rezi
waza
benze no re ka se lo introduce zibu rebiana are zibu rena Betway jwana le khala na jwana again yeah so which means kamanza bangwe ona batho ba rene Kaizer Chiefs ne abazanga bona ngwana a lifter cup ya Kaizer Chiefs today
yes namhlanje Tibos namhlanje after 11 years iships without cup namhlanje igama lincwatshiwe liphelile u11 years ngeke usaphinda ukhulunywe iships esene cup esandleni sakhe umqeqeshi omusha uNabi sanibongela again makhosi ihappiness ifike at last and then enjoy because angeke ngisakwazi ukupay revenge manje bekuvalwa isizini yeNedbank nakwiligi futhi sesiphele sesiqedile nabo shothi nakho shothi siyobonana kwisizini ezayo
ngiyakubata mo bona babata mo Pirates is like a cinema movie they always say season lazako another next season start out the game matter on mo it's like they play the movie and the cinema if fail then the next season because next season is going to be the same also repeating the same because
Godfather question Godfather
yes
mawucamanga ne-season i-Chiefs izabe good noba izabe than worse kuba good ne-season
baridilali wamgatroni thina sizobona angithi uring
i-Chiefs ne-season mawubhekile yona ngokwakho izoba good noba ikusazaphinde kubona
yes or no
okay mo ligini ngiyabona rene we still have to do a lot of work we still have to go and sit to the drawing board because ngiyabona the Chiefs sometimes
yabaleka kahle Paris next season isazafika ibe well oiling machine
nakhona bangajabuli bakhohlwa
next season Paris is still going to the well oiling machine mabakania Orlando Pirates players Orlando Pirates management, Orlando Pirates supporters, we win as a team, we lose as a team. We keep remaining to support Orlando Pirates, running or not. I want to say, once a Pirate, always.
Thank you, Chairman.